electroscope? Well, an electroscope is something that measures electrical charge. Today, we are going to build it with simple materials. We will need our huge jar and of course some copper wire because it is very conductive. Next, we will take a piece of cardboard and punch a hole in the middle. Next, we take our straw and poke it through our hole. Next, we take it and put it on top of the jar and secure it with hot glue. While it is drying, we will work on our copper wire. First, we make a spiral shape just so we have a bigger surface to put our balloon on. Next, we take our copper wire and poke it through the straw. And we also have to make a little hook at the bottom. We have two identical pieces of aluminum and we are going to align them perfectly so it looks like it's one. The next step is to put it on the hook. The next step is to cover the edges with electrical tape. Our electroscope is all ready and it's time to test it. Whenever I rub this balloon on my hair, it actually gives an extra electron, so the balloon is negatively charged. Look at the aluminum pieces. When our balloon was negatively charged, we put it next to the copper wire. And the copper wire now had an extra electron, and it traveled through the straw all the way down to our aluminum pieces, and negative repel.